In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable app lock option in your Android phone. On some Android phones, you can find built-in app locker in your phone settings. But if you cannot find any app lock option in your phone settings, then you have to use a third-party app to lock your apps. So just open up your Google Play Store, then tap on the search option and then search for app locker. And then scroll down, then just download the third, then tap on install. Give it a moment and it's complete. Now just tap on open, then give notification permission, then tap on start. At first just check this option, unlock with fingerprint, then draw a new pattern, then confirm your pattern again. You can also add an email address to recover your password, but I skipped this part. Just tap on finish and it's enabled successfully. Now just select the app that you want to lock. If I select YouTube, suppose if you want to lock YouTube, just tap on this lock option, then tap on allow, then give permission from here and then tap on allow again, then give data access. Now it's ready for use. Now if I select YouTube again, just tap on this lock option and then go back, then tap on exit and then close your all the apps and then open up YouTube, and that's it. You can see app lock has been enabled successfully. Now you can use two options to unlock your app. At first you can draw a pattern and that's it. You can also use fingerprint to unlock your app and it's done. And that is how you can enable app lock option in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.